Today we are talking again about numbers in German IT market because German Tech Jobs has recently released another big report for 2024. And what is cool here is that I've already made a video based on such report for the previous year, I mean for 2023. Since two reports have similar structure, we can make much better video. We can analyze changes which allow us to identify trends, where things are going in German IT. So here you are, top 10 takeaways from European Transparent IT Job Market Report 2024. Salaries. According to the report, salaries have slightly increased. In 2023, the average salary for software developers in Germany was 62,100 euro. In 2024, it increased slightly to 63,000 euro, with the median salary of 62,500. Not so much. I would even say we lost some money. If we take into account average inflation in Germany in 2024, which is 2.2%, it means that we have actually lost 1.5% of our purchasing power. So, in other words, salaries in IT did not even grow, they slightly shrinked. The highest paying roles, according to this report, include Golang, data engineering and everything related to this, C and C++, Python and Java, while PHP and different system engineering roles continue to offer lower salaries. Now coming to full remote work opportunities in Germany. Full remote work opportunities started to decline. In 2023, 50% of respondents had the option to work fully remotely. In 2024, this dropped to 45%, showing a slight return of the hybrid models of work. While hybrid work remains dominant, companies are starting to require more office presence. And I can confirm that this tendency has been proven by many other sources. Companies recovered from pandemic shock, they are paying for the big offices and they want people back, especially large companies. Speaking about the harsh situation on the job market, we are logically coming to some numbers that I wanted to share. Job market became tougher for candidates. In 2023, 52% of people found job within 3 months. In 2024, this dropped to 47%, indicating a slightly longer job search. Add here stagnating IT market and significant amount of IT specialists who became available because of the layoffs wave. Also, don't forget about 250,000 students who are studying computer science in Germany. I don't have an exact numbers of how many of them graduate every year, let's say 60% of them, and we will get around 150,000 junior specialists with the computer science diploma who are actively looking for job in Germany. And according to this chart by Statista researchers, sorry, it's missing 2024, but I think the numbers are similar or even lower. We have something like 150,000 open positions in total for all levels. Now you should understand why students with computer science diplomas say that 80% of them stay jobless, at least during the first year after graduation. Now coming to AI usage in German companies. AI adoption in the workplace is increasing. In 2023, 58% of IT workers were using AI tools to some extent. In 2024, this number grew to 80%, with 20% from them using AI very extensively. I don't think that this significant increase is related to the fact that German companies and developers finally opened their eyes to the progress. No. I think it's related to the tremendous jump in AI-based tools and development of more and more capable LLM models, which are becoming cheaper and cheaper, by the way. So, logically, we are coming to another interesting metric, which is how software developers are concerned about the fact that AI may take over their jobs, and concerns have slightly increased. In 2083, 83% of developers believed AI would not replace their jobs in 5 years. In 2024, this dropped slightly to 82%, indicated a little bit higher uncertainty about AI impact on their jobs. Only 1% shift. On this, I can say only one thing.
Fly, you fools!
I think that people should open their eyes. If nothing will change and AI will continue to progress, In 5 years perspective, 50% of current IT positions will not exist in today's form. At least you can agree that the current pace of AI development nullifies any suggestions that salaries for pure coding will increase. I don't see any reason to expect otherwise, so we all need to acquire new skills. Okay, let's stop here with AI panic and go to other interesting insights. One of them is that the interest in salary and remote work possibilities increased, amongst candidates, and interest in really interesting and engaging projects decreased. This suggests that economic uncertainty is making candidates prioritize financial security over their passionate projects. Sounds logical, nothing to add. Now, coming to the recruitment process in German IT. Frustration with recruitment process remains high. In 2023 and 2024, the biggest pain points in recruitment were lack of feedback, around 33–37%. Also, too many interview stages, people were concerned about it, around 31–38%, and no salary transparency, around 30%. Candidates strongly prefer a two-stage interview process, but many companies still have 3+ rounds. Okay, nothing surprising here actually. We have entered the employer's market in software development. The 20 years era when software engineers had been kissed in the ass has come to the end. Welcome to the real world. Let's talk a bit about IT salaries by regions. Generally, in both years, 2023–2024, the cities with higher salaries were Berlin, Munich and Düsseldorf. There's nothing to change here since those cities remain the biggest IT hubs in Germany, which slightly push the salaries here. We can also add here Hamburg probably, but this is basically it. There is no reason to expect any changes here. In general, Eastern Germany pays less, probably except Berlin here, and Western Germany pays more. Another important takeaway: people are less happy with relocation. In 2023, 70% of people who relocated for job were happy. In 2024, this dropped to 65%, suggesting less enthusiasm for moving for work. First of all, the harsh IT market makes people trapped in their jobs. And let's be honest, your first job, when you relocate to Germany, for example, it often sucks. Another thing, the rise of hybrid work means fewer people feel the need to relocate at all. And last logical conclusion, more people are concerned about job security. In 2023, only 10% of respondents have been unemployed for more than a year. In 2024, this number increased to 23%, suggesting a more challenging job market. Now, a small announcement from my side. The company where I'm working right now is actively hiring people in tech and financial fields. This is one of the biggest and most successful German fintech companies. I'm speaking about Scalable Capital, and yes, I've been working here for more than 4 years in a senior engineer position. I will leave a link on the Scalable Capital career section in the pinned comment to this video. If you have the required skills, and if you really have these skills, you can write me on LinkedIn. By the way, my profile is in the description of this channel, so I could answer your questions and give you my referral link on this position. My referral link does not guarantee you an invitation to the interview, but it guarantees that your application will be at least reviewed. Thank you for your attention. I will be happy to have you as one of my colleagues. Now, conclusion to the whole video. The German IT jobs market in 2024 is experiencing slight salary growth, increasing AI adoption and more hybrid work models. However, finding jobs is taking longer and candidates feel less secure. Of course, this analysis should not be perceived as an ultimate source of truth. Again, this is just a statistics provided by German Tech Jobs website, so this is just one piece of the puzzle. And if you want to see a bigger picture, you need to know more data. And so here's the couple of videos from my channel which will give you a better understanding what is really happening with German IT market.